Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market today. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the ESR 3-pack privacy screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you're looking for the ultimate privacy solution for your device, you've come to the right place. This is not just any screen protector. This is the best Apple 14 Pro Max privacy screen protector available. Right out of the box, you'll notice the sleek and professional packaging from ESR. This 3-pack of screen protectors is designed specifically for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, ensuring a perfect fit without any hassle. Inside, you'll find everything you need for an easy installation: the privacy screen protectors, an application tray, dust repellent adhesive, and a cleaning kit. Installing the ESR privacy screen protector is a breeze. The application tray helps you align the protector perfectly with your device, while the included cleaning kit ensures your screen is spotless before application. You can expect a bubble-free installation on your first try, which is a big plus for anyone who's ever struggled with screen protectors. Now, let's talk about the features that make this screen protector stand out. First and foremost, it offers powerful privacy protection. With an advanced privacy filter, this screen protector blocks viewing from any angle greater than 28 degrees. So, whether you're in a crowded cafe or on public transportation, you can feel secure knowing that your personal information remains confidential. In addition to privacy, the ESR screen protector boasts military-grade defense. Constructed from ultra-tough tempered glass, it can withstand up to 33 pounds of force, protecting your device from drops, bumps, and scratches. So, if you're a bit clumsy or just want to ensure your device stays in pristine condition, this screen protector has you covered. Worried about Face ID? You'll enjoy pixel-perfect photos through both the front and rear cameras, so there's no compromise on quality here. One of the most appealing aspects of purchasing from ESR is their commitment to customer support. Each purchase comes with a comprehensive 12-month protection plan, detailed setup videos, and lifetime support. If you run into any issues, ESR is ready to help. To sum it up, the ESR 3-pack privacy screen protector for iPhone 14 Pro Max is an excellent investment for anyone looking to protect their privacy without sacrificing quality or usability. It's tough, easy to install, and comes back with exceptional customer support. If you're serious about keeping your screen safe from prying eyes and everyday accidents, this screen protector is undoubtedly the way to go. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below for more details and to grab yours today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more product reviews and critiques. Stay safe and keep your devices protected.